How to log in to Alterna Bank Online banking account. Hey everyone, this is Susan from Create, Login and Delete. Now let's get started. So first of all, launch any web browser or search engine on your device. Then go to the search bar and search for Alterna Bank and select the link that is on top, which is the official website of bank. Now once you are on this website, you can directly see the login option at the top right corner. So just tap on it. Now let's wait for some time until the page is loading. Now once you are here on this web page, you have to enter your login ID and simply tap on continue. Now let's say for instance you forgot your password. You can see the option of forgot password. Just tap on it. Now you'll come to this web page where you have to enter your login ID, your email and your contact information that you used to create your account, and simply tap on recover password. Then bank will send you details and instructions on how you can recover your account. And that's all for today. At last, don't forget to like and subscribe.